DJ Becky.
Well, for Vloggers Corner GH, first edition I did, bro. We a platformer, vloggers, and I can YouTubers, I ever discuss social media and trending news around that. We are doing. I have here Paulino Multimedia and Brad Justice, and so one Ghana, right? One Ghana, and Paulino, more cover, million.
Just hope.
Brana, Paulino.
Bra.
They say there I Kumasi kum and crime you. Now I just as Kumasi to say.
I'm yeah, for me because he's through.
You crying to who now should Kumasi boy and come away.
Kumasi is a coronavirus. In case we are talking about coronavirus, a free or no criminal.
Ote, yes, if Kumasi you are talking about coronavirus now, who running in our call?
I want to say,
Omunya there.
Anra, like I said, dead bodies be. Oh, Kumasi for this. I did that. Kumasi had matches. 5 dead bodies. I did that Kumasi. Like I did that on the environment. I just said coronavirus na the home, but now me cry. I'm misro ipa serious. I'm misro because said almost channel. Oh yeah, go cry and say 5 dead bodies in Kumasi. Therefore, I be a coronavirus. So we say that news no. Aba say that is you were claiming, but nenya no correct. Me who news na me am nenya no correct. Omo free police ni no. Can say regional commander no. Ana no wo chichirim say enya no correct na obu anu abodam obu a puppet obu onu mu a ebi a oti trotro mu na omu check omu changofo ni nyina no na nye coronavirus na eku omu na ebi di say abodamfo a ebi di lockdown ya be ye kombetimi ade obi grama watwa
Okay.
Omu account ye no na nipa 5 coronavirus ba ko pe na no omu say I think the sokokwan na omu ka say o trash you say o trash you no before so we trash na o so yare na o trash you one sorry bi ya say o insana o trash nti na almost suspect say bi yare ni bi na a che no na ma o ye nti na ya ama masi ayu but all the same mo chire mu na ma e comfortable na there
okay. And then Paulino, na also side crown so we share baby kuna me so me share baby ko mo de na mo ye donation you say
a lot of me say upia social distancing na nyamenum no kreni enye adwuma ba ko sei e wa bonten when you call boa company bi mo mo donation amo de eburo ne gari ne bread. Please for kind ho a mo try say social distance be adwuma but o kan kra na obi nti Africa na okoba mnia nti eno na things say o say empanyo na omo ye donation so omo so it taking in place na omo hwe na omo ma yi to yi na ebo ayi nyina.
Oh, okay. Me ne mu akɔhu sɛ nkɔfo yɛ donation yɛ president pa because me kɔhu companies bebree a wɔn de checks ebi 200,000 binom de ɛyɛ Indomie for me wɔ hɔ me hu Tampico for wɔ hɔ me hu MPP USA wɔn kɔ donate 50,000 ɛne ho nneɛma nti nkɔfo nso gu so a wɔn donate de boa president pa okay yɛn kɔ ɛyɛ they say there say one Ghana mo na news ɛkɔ bɛ nyinaa ekura mo nti ɛnɛ yɛn fa hefa fa yɛkɔ topic
ɛna ankasa deɛ enya wɔ ha ne deɛ ɛyɛ sɛ epe nsɛm bi ho kakra kene deɛ Japan honorable kene Japan abɔ di wabɔ di bɛn friends a ɛwɔ ɛkɔ so nti we deɛ menya wo yi ɛyɛ sɛ yɛbusa wɔn sɛ nkɔmmɔ kakra yɛhwɛ yɛama saa nsɛm wo nyinaa ba na wo adwen because na wobɛn nti obi nim yɛbɔ odin no yɛbɔ odin na yɛma hye no because minim wo sɛ wonyɛ obi a sɛdeɛ amanfoɔ ka nti obi ne ho asɛm sɛ na akɔyɛ sɛ asɛ yɛka ne ho asɛm bɔne bi saa ana mefa no ba wo deɛ minim sɛ ne wo nante yɛ akyɛ na yɛmfa sɛ yɛsua nɔɔma kora fi wɔ hɔ a woyɛ good sɛ yɛka nsɛm bi saa fa nti obi ne mu na ɛyɛ sɛ yɛbusa na wobɛn no bɛɛ so many years a wotu a na wɔtiam from management bi ne TV management bi was obi TV ne Ice TV ɔbaa nyinaa no wona ne kura wo na wogyaeɛ nti yɛbɛ sɛ yɛhu w'adwene ne sɛn nneɛma na ɛkɔ so wohu ne sɛn
asɛm onim I'm giving us the respect ye creative for this platform and ebema maka bibi kakra fa ho you know SMC I've had calls from radio stations and people want to ask me Yatudin we yebodi no we say sorry na when you miss calls the brave we kwa kwhwemu na e be a media personnel ne ho niema but all that I can say is say me ya say niema ekoso nyina between honorable ne Anjubi say me ka say me ya pa na me intro me ya pa because also me no kra ekasa sometimes say Anjubi ni me hu ni say as a me adwuma ma ne kekro me hu ni say obi ase me senior brother no so that was the respect I could do here me no relationship on baby could do here enti say obehu say enipa ehro no wa paso saa na ye kan sembone fa no saa no gi say you obi a unni akomafo obi a bia one na ye adwuma pen enti eye me ya to me minyan kan se we nyina to atwa me minyan ka nka ono kwa won kasa bio me ya to be very honest me ya pa sense we nyina ekoso ena ade a me pese eni party ase eni say me ma me defend Anjubi nim na me be defend Kennedy Japan sebi is between the two of them but me pese eni party ase eni say eni pa bia ho funso what I say enipa bia ye nyina me ho ofuso ye nyina every day bia bi twam no ye mu bia ye mistakes enti no my fa if obi cry mistake my fan no gina so na yen fan critique any two people. What I say, this is something that can be solved. This idea a bit me a solve ma enuanum yemi omuntemaju sabi you mean say and you be ni mo sore nkwaji ska wo Kennedy Japan wo na Kennedy Japan so baby a wodru sabi ono kra na ebo ankofo bo nipa enti all these things and I ask myself say ebekwa akosi hin da ben na to be twa what I say again the beba what is the benefit of it obi bekwa akotena social media sabi no atro bibia didi Kennedy Japan atem obi bekwa akotro no de didi Angelo bi ni matem ni nyina no me I want to ask say ekusi egwekwa akosi say sabi o say ebeda sorry na say yanti asempa na Honorable Kennedy Japan afirma omo di Angelo bi ni machi de be ye omu da na ombebosi ye kodane ante asemboni nyame mpamu mu na say Angelo bi ni eda e wan sorry a eno de bema Ghana fo ani age ana se bema nkofo bi omu didi na tem ani age
one thing the work engine na me to wase me wan Paulino abem but mame enchipu in we ka with a question on say honorable person what you say what those pastors are doing wrong now he has to wipe all those bad nuts. So the bear, the bema amount for who about what you say.
okay
We will say, baby, but I think his aim is to clear off all the bad deeds of the alleged normal workers. Obi ni maye no. What you say na bishop obi ni maye no. So what you say? It is a workers enkosi hwea. Eno no me question we just say no say the osika no enkosi hwea saying.
Ma menche wade bi. Say the tia make us say enkosi hwea ne say Sir, ma me fa David enye example nche. David in the Bible. David.
All right.
Upon the no one nyina. David ekofa na kora eyire wa amananso ho awo ose ku no eka ho oti ase se yendwen ho se enemre mu enne ya yebo mu sisi ye generation we mu ena osofo bi ana ohini bi ana obi a nyakopon de na si oman bia no aye sa aboni we ya uji di se enka edin ni nipa beka afa no enema bi oho no ma eye nipa personal relationship with God bia boni a eye David ye no se obi foforo na ye ya ke bia nka Nyankopon be twa na to agu one time ekunu one time but Nyankopon say David ye obi oda na koma so obi a wakofo obi yire kuno aka ho enti when it comes to all these things me no the humans don't have that power say sebi yen ye de be chire ma chire inipa say wait to say everyone say asama make no yen fan say bia de Honorable Kennedy Japan kan nyina mpo ewo mu a se Nyankopon ka se odo Angelo bi na on mana sorry mu obepega na ye mekese a ade bia ne wono ma Kennedy Japan be ya ebekwa akosi baby okay and no me asama make say ni nyina ekosi say because when it come to judgment enini pansem oti ase judgment enini pansem ewonyamensem anya sa de anka judgment wo nipa pansem de anka me so say kenika aka be 5 nipa aka be 5 pen ni na wasase so
Mr. Same
Yeah.
Then I'm a person me say some neighbor basa no now ben angel. When you are when you are answer what me mpo test no and our friend aka kire say papa and answer angel. Baby and some neighbor boko no Mr. Wadaroma me no wonye adwuma biemu die but wobetimi agya ama na kana say onka ho asem biem and mpo dia fa obi so say nka o ma na so nte. Okay.
Mint da enema me kan ye anase me dia fa nipa bi so ana ma ye the message mint da na di in public, but I've tried to communicate with him during this time.
Okay.
I believe said obefa na supem men kan say obeti na supem.
We bisa question that. Say I have phone him there. Mr. Samir obi a na one enjobi ni me adwuma say oye close pa o ka ona enjobi ni ekesi omo obi e ba ya enjobi ni ekesi omo a honorable play no me master na me ma details say the player akofo be hu o te say Samir Rasta wa mo hu say Rasta man no and you are a very good person. So Samir busa say audio ye ba yi a e bo din e bo savior no ne we no bo for ye adwuma e bo driver bi ene nkofo bi din utimu say na engineer asa audio no nim say ba mere bi e ma me afra me interview e ma also respond here can side of the story but honorable say play sa audio ni bi ma o che say traitor na angel pe say oye bibi o pe so oye edit ya mo amufiri o because mo say ni din usutu say mo amukọ ye no mo ana mo amu bi na me fa on kan because won ka say mo bi na deliver information e ma honorable Japan.
Well, this is not the first issue Honorable Kennedy Japan ADHD. And you say one person when he wants to follow an issue, he goes with his all, like or the media himself being information. As to say nipa potia all information free in what day. Like you said, ye doso. Nipa be papa neti asori be nipa be bring everything in aseko. Ebi no ntamo ye, ebi no ntamo ye. Enti eno de enye wanwa say obi enye me wanwa po say ebi kro da so ne ye adwuma. They say crampo ebetima ma information. What I say because enipa de uni mo bi tri masem. Ebi a ye kan nyina no ye de adwena kwa akosi say obi a wa free ho no mko bi a ya wo ni mu. I cannot speak for the others, but I believe say eye den a empanyimfo kra say na bo bi beka wa do furu ntuno me amfa ya bi nkosi say o ma free and you be nim ho ko nyina na e ma Honorable Kennedy Japan information. And like I said, the man Honorable Kennedy no a very very wise and very intelligent person. Until or person will information anywhere that obinya information free no obinya enkoba say umo free ni hon ko ampo. It can be say obi kra da so ne ye adwuma na o ne koba sesi a or information on. What is the mission as? Yeah, and to me no me who say obi a me say obi to say one blow say me ni din komo almost every day. Said the meaning se mini akuma boni biafa papa no sa na meaning se one blow so ini akuma boni biafa no me ne dae hima e kasa meaning so oni ne ho adwen boni bia me ne blessed the J kasa meaning se blessed ni ne ho adwen boni bia what you say so omo nyina obi ani ho no ma me hu se owo papa no adwen boni but I don't know about others but I think say the message ni say nka be ya honorable me panicho pa say oma bibia entwa me sena
Just I mean so so said the Osi Casano. Open so ya need transcend way so said there was a way you say now. Me question me or question be bria me so God is a buy when we saw my answer opa me answer en komo ni edi God is a same buy honorable apple di ewo eno no net saying there na woni fa ho you can choose to answer you can choose not to answer.
Oh, good assembly there. Enya there. To be very honest, make can once in there.
Me na me business a gold no on sakae no. Anye bia
Yeah.
original one na the coin na the counterfeit.
So when you said
Mm.
the reason why I can't answer anything about gold and then they say me gold expert. What you say? Say yeah, testy gold. Say nam yeah, testy gold and then me can one. And I said there was a process whereby I was present. Me testy gold bibia. And you busa me question I'm supposed to answer. What you say? Say woman me camera. Woman me 5D Mark II. And I say Mr. Sang, 5D China and I say original. Aha, and then I just say, what about me? No. How do you meet my answer?
Yeah.
Enim say ya maame front to be in be can be ama to say there's more and there are more expose here honorable e dia ba je say we say what more eba was it right say o maame fan say your ex mother and I say your maame there
or that's you me man
right say obekasa
Charlie, well, I said, what the money is super. As to say, no, you're right, and I said, no, you're right. Unim, and comfort Obia one again, check. I won't send be sometimes I send be an American say, check. The two boys are many me a Juma for say. So, so be ye BBR before so become one. First of all, you need penny sin chain. Never who a sister situation. Nebusa won't say it in Kayame Pan Kadiana May. Men are same we are to me. And I can see, and I can see, and I can see, and I can see your family. And I can see your family who you ask yourself, say, like a dear pan and cap may. It's very important, pal, because mostly no, anypa be a jump into conclusion. They can't send me to me no. Omu they take it out of proportion. What I say? For it will be me or ba worry for, ba worry. What I say? Kofo kandi kunu asem. Odoni kunu. Bia nkamea nye nisa kame mekasa, but we should also respect her into a certain extent. Say sebi enye obi kekene kana semu niku a won na worry for so many years ehun asem ene yeka enti who can say she doesn't have the right to say something about it. And sending now. Me one for one chain crampo do manual to ma or kebi. Obi timi sorry no akotena Facebook no or can be keke. Nyeni nua ba ene Florence obi ni nyeni nua ne busuani ni obi ni. Nyeni busuani ni honorable Kennedy Japan, but no can be keke. What you say? But I believe say we na a true try. Na obia me kasa obia me you obia no. Say the Obinim family doesn't owe anybody explanation. That is how I see it. So Bia Omuka Obia Kana Mitum Ame answer Obia Ama be you Bia no. To me, I believe it will calm things down. Now in Yama winning to a I strongly believe say me say Bia Nyame Yabebema at the party and no book and Japan so Monday na Ibia wenya adwen foforo bi na nkawama nsem nyina to atwa na yahwe how I be see move Ghana forward na bibia to atwa eye be yawo minia me tin sem no mo ye na nkofo frefre me kra na bitimi do me phone kra because it's so painful. It's so painful.
Colino Busai say o afre angel ene na kasa ana say o mfre nso mebusa say ono na frɛ ana say ona bobo odi a o si e frɛ ona bo mu hu nipa bi so afrɛ wa na obi a pese wo ba be witness ana wo ba be kire nse bi mu ma obi de eye substantial than the other person ana
me mumu de minya call bia from anybody at minya enka wo mo ne enjirobi nim ewo issue ni nyina no ko bia ne na assettle ko bia ne na because minia we are kan ye onim that wo be wo afiri wiase that ko time na wo ko just this way me busa say me say inyema ekoso nyina the bia e be sorry bia honorable Kennedy Japan obi to you, are you happy about it?
To be frank, me mom there because the course no many agia your bloggers and your vloggers are yeah man say ye pesca and I PBB at the IBB, but me for instance Mama Florence Obinim say me penasem pa mente say one obi anya asem ni fie na oye kra na ni social media ana say Martin ho asem because me say Kumasi ha branch o hana me background so or branch o hono ma on so me roll me about work akra mente bibisa fa ne ho nti we na ekoso no fa ba bi no mo kre na make no nye se am her side na me ona bo kikan bebre ni we na ha me kaka na I don't blame her. I blame Njobinim to make am we be pa on time because I saw it there na ke ni kwan say Bishop Obinim eso no maybe so actually because honorable so information so information people so what they say yeah or the paper whether it is true or false you don't have to come and reply Emma on first information whether it is true or false
not
Emma nye ensem bebre because recently before Florence Obinim eba back in the video which I found it say one or two things been a woman me never for a comment say it went against honorable before that no the Obinim beka say ono de on pa honorable say allegations 6 allegations honorable dey man ena or dey panacho but I tell about pan atemdidia to deal so what I say only for that 6 allegation that means who person obesa be shemu kina the oil no person say honorable me shemu kina because only for and when you do that it means you are still fueling the beef and na honorable kan wo ye nanse man dey o kan wo Say, was it umpa macho. Was it asamba ufa obi say nipa no go pa acho. Not specifically. Oka say acho pa mo kwa akopa. Mumpa na cho atembidi a medi no. Wotimi kan che nipa nse ongo pa acho sa ama. Na uyi bi afu ede. On de me pa che. Di mi hu ni say na nke ni kwan say bishop obi nim ebe soso kura ma ne wife nso so ba beka bi aha nti me ha me ewo me especially ne wife side because me nim say mema me nu na omo ana say omo ya kasa kasa na ne yire abam so nti me mum de obusa meka say ha me but me nya nka tumbotwe de egotwe because ya nyina nke na DSTV so kan sem bi praise be hadwen menye sure say bishop odasa ana what is it yes order
Oh, nasa asɛm a ɔka deɛ obi a de hɔ nom a saa asɛm mu kora to a wo bɛda na wo pa broken heart kɛkɛ koraa po obi tumi bɔ ne kɛde de nam abɔnten Paulino na wo issue no like who ni say like who ni say general
Genti amaye din o issue we nim say I say asunu mienu kono asase na ehu na mane to be honest me yesa me go kan na mano akopa ntina member say me dive into the issue ne bebre no.
Oh, okay
something they say no final word was na now be ni ma diabo ko ba bi ka ho a ona bo so abo bi your fans
me masemi tiawa I believe say baby a dream afani no mienu nyina obi a nye din ka obi a ka me ko ade a ka obi a ntwaso but minim de honorable Kennedy Japan said you who am I to advise him new bia but I wish say could be to twaso but when twaso so twaso on the side now I've worked with and I still love the family. I'll plead say they should be silent.
Those who say on the side of work amo me so so bi na asemu fa na asemu ko na nka ozu yanka aba ona bo achew wo pa na achew no onfa nyo bi ni mana se onyai ya achew ba se anchelu ya na se onyai what difference na me dey ma
Ni nyina ni mienu nyina se waye boni bi atia no a onfa nche no ni nua keto no what you say ena me sa aka se me pa na cho se on say twaso nti enema mienu ni mienu nyina
okay I'm saying discussing we are lockdown, partial lockdown, total lockdown. So, you can want some partial lockdown, total lockdown. Which one do you believe, sir? You beat me. Yeah, but why?
Partial, Paulino. Then starting for Paulino no on kasa bibli.
Where the yatias media. Hello.
Partial lockdown, total lockdown. Which one do you believe we are practicing upon this pandemic?
To be honest, I think that for now, no, the I will say a practice total lockdown. Na never boy total lockdown because one movie virus name movie. Oh, on the alternate baby far. Nti e pass ya na dey definitely we be ka ko say ebi okoto aduane ampa but na ba bi okoto aduane no virus ne bi e den e wo ho no akofa de abafie na de abesa na ko but if say you practice total lockdown and obi anko ba bia nti within few weeks and as months no you betimi attrack omo a yehu se omo obi ofie ne omo a omo hododo omo no you betimi attrack omo na ya test omo na omo me positive na things say treat ama obi ahụ atọ no ye no partial say na say a combat bi mo na den a combat timi akunye die but a combat nipa dodo say na combat ku omo but e ja egum say na gradually no ebe affect nyina ye nyina ye betimi kwata by June de na say ye nyina
do be
ya be mama
by June the
Now, maybe Sakaka. Partial lockdown and total lockdown.
Okay.
What's the difference?
the difference is the partial lockdown also we are allowed to go out for based on reasons. If your reason is vital, you are allowed to go out. And total lockdown, the total lockdown will be empty.
Okay.
Brahma, what
No, no.
Because the
India
partial
one is
lockdown,
yeah, sure, more of
Yeah.
who be near and because I think it's a military man the video be on watch say a bit more ama a jumane yedin so on your chewa and you have no number bisa and your boo or cano and liberals or chew on your boo and tinafie no so entono because unkwa untimi emfire no and I say em fire nko ba bi ma obi fufuro so nkonya bi total lockdown ebe boy p send a government say over the whole world no Ghana to so 14th for country the mass testing no nti say nyame adom yetimi total lockdown no bia ofia e me no kra bitimi abo ama say omo try say omo ye house to house testing na ebe because tem bia we could be obia ofie enko ye say asumesi so okoto credit asumesi so okoto eduane we so okoto edu no obi ani fie but if say total lockdown obia ofie and then the street ones no so na say omo any baby than homeless no na a plus e ka bi say government say yes say o see affordable house abanda that now okoye no
Yeah.
house now I think it's completely almost I think 70 or 75% of it on no a plus you so say with those buildings no you betimi use for the homeless. Why don't we
Okay.
look up to that? Now, you find total lockdown. I think there's a total lockdown by a boy. A come sending American first and a come back nipa. Sebi. I hear the become and then government in the crash of bomb home audience distribution and got for so a donation already. I don't think say a come grab movie, but you know, I ask to see now. Yet me, I back on ya virus way.
lockdown we aduane a wɔn kyɛ me ɛha me paa ɛha me to an extent sɛ aban na tu ne nan si hɔ paa ministers na ɛbɛ spread yɛ ministers ne wɔn a wɔn ɛyɛ so wɔn sika no a wɔn kyɛ no ma no wɔn a na ɛbɛ spread yɛ because saa mmiri a ɛkasa yɛ a anadwo aba yɛ a yɛdi nkɔmɔ yi. Obiara hyɛ ne fie lab biara nyɛ adwuma obiara nyɛ adwuma nti imagine sɛ amere a obiara hyɛ ne fie a yɛde internet kasa yi na sɛ mewɔ hɔ ne abɔ me kunu efie biara ɛmo sachet mmiɛnsa mɔyɛ efie biara ɛmo sachet mmiɛnsa mɔyɛ a nipa kɔbɔ kyenku wɔ obi kɔtwe camera kɔsi ne so ama mmorɔfo ehu yɛn ɛwɔ hefa nti megye di sɛ nsɛm a yɛka government no bɛfa asopɛm na ɔmo ayɛ biribi afa ho ɛno koraa no bɛ prevent this total lockdown because of deɛ ɔmo hu a amanfoɔ kyerɛ nnuane nti na saa total lockdown anka ɔmo hu biribi saa a ɔmo nyɛ total lockdown akyɛ wate ase
okay
ka ɔmo kyɛkyɛ saa social media wei nam ha kyɛ nnuane ne wei na anka ni hɔ saa anka total lockdown bia no because a shopping mall a obi ɔnam biara ahyɛ bi ɔnam hɔ biara ahyɛ mask one bi ne but most of them ahyɛ mask it means that they are practicing the protection measures na yɛka nti aduane kyɛ na wɔaga na dem minimal besia
okay yeah they say the anti final words na yɛ fani nyina nsi Paulino
kasa
the final the mechanism aban airborne no mmɔden nti sɛ ɔbɛkio COVID-19 free Ghana system nim yeso timamufo na na the citizens no yeso yenye afemu dia de bɛbɔ ɔman mpanyimfo no yepie sɛ mahye my board I need to go out ebi a wo pie fi gate ano ɛhɔ na virus no ebi abɛtare but unim na wakɔti bi na wo de asa ɔma wo ne ɔmuti fi na ɛkɔ nti yɛbɛhyɛ sɛ obiara try sɛ ɔbɛhyɛ fie din na sɛ bibi na wo hia your numbers wɔ hɔ aban the numbers agu wɔ sɛ kɔm de wafrɛ nkɔfɔ sɛ ɔmo frɛ a number no yɛ very busy but then wo de try ne frɛ ɛyɛ ɛbɛyɛ busy because ɛyɛ number a obi frɛ bi nti try ne frɛ na baby a wɔ biara no ɔmo so ɛbɛba wɔ so yɛ na yɛn nyinaa yɛ try sɛ COVID-19 spread no ɛnkɔ akyire na ɔmo kakra ne so a yɛnya no so yɛtumi atry ne akɛ ɔmo ɛna ne gisɛm no koraa sɛ nkɔfɔ kora bisa sɛ ada Ghana yɛnya aduru ana over 600 yɛtumi akɛ nipa bɛyɛ 83 a I think the best and most of them no so yɛnya nteɛ sɛ ɔmo respond to treatment nti meaning sɛ kakra no yɛbɛduru hɔ nti yɛn nyinaa yɛn try sɛ yɛde yɛahoɔden bɛbɔ aban no one thing so I had to say anaasɛ yɛhu ne sɛ ebi more test positive but then ɔmo test positive na ɔmo try sɛ ɔmo dwane udwane no wode kɔ he wode kɔ taa obi anaa wopɛ sɛ wɔnkɔ wu wɔ kwan so anaasɛ de what tested positive a sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ wowɔ hospital na aban anaasɛ doctors ne nurses for ne de ehwe na ɔmo treat na ɛkɔ na also what tested positive also wasɔre de dwane akɔ wode kɔ he wode kɔ he sɛ ɔmo sɛ what tested positive and nkyerɛ sɛ wawu what because China and Africa for issue in ɔmo tested positive ɔmo try sɛ ɔmo be free ward or anaasɛ be free hospital akɔ ɔmo fie no ɛna de saa China anadwo one na wo yɛ African ni ane abɛbɔ punu ne pɛsɛ yɛnkɔ quarantine ɛna de saa nneɛma no nyinaa yɛ den aba because yɛ tested wo na wɔnyɛ bia na wo tested P na positive a also we stay calm na the no ni nyoma we say the ma no na the amount na ho ato na yesu nyina ho ato na wo dey kɔ no wo di ukɔ nyina na say wo dey nam kwan nim sa wo the street aba from the within 24 hours wo aba from bia obenya bi ti e be kire o mo say wadaro ma wonya bi enkyere say wo free ma na say nti minim so say na adwen ne say obi na di ama ne nti no so dey koma obi dia say yɛbɛboa na biribiara to atwa.
Oh, okay. I mean that must say because Charlie, ya di biya kama. Nti nyame ya aduma.
All right.
Yebesa
Vloggers Corner. Yebeshia.
You best say she near the concern. O check Paulino multimedia.
Sorry, me brampa for you. Kukudam for it's info beer. We are CBL. I hanewo. What I say?
All right.
Subscribe and share and like.
Okay. Channels near Paulino Multimedia, One Ghana TV, and News in News channel. Okay. Until the BC